Cute. Religion is the kind of...
Sige, tuloy mo eh. Sige, tuloy mo eh.
Isagot ko na.
What is religion?
Religion. Siyempre, bagot ko pa. Bago. Binigay ka pang kay MC. Religion. Having a strong faith in God is a great experience. An experience that teaches a lesson to learn, that makes us human. Human that may not be perfect, but human that is real. And we know that we have different religion in our country. But we worship only one God, and that is Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Woohoo! Clap, clap.
Corruption. What is corruption? Me. Baklaya po yan. Bakla. What is... What is...
Ay, iba pa rin yan.
Gaya pa. What is same-sex marriage?
Roger.
Roger, corruption. What is corruption?
Who is the founder of Kabaklaan?
Blue boy. Who is Blue girl? Who is the founder of Federation?
Capital B, Capital
Thank you. Yan na meron sarili mo.
Alam mo na yan.
Yung kita mo ako. Yung kita mo ako.
Tayo. What scrub you use?
Oh.
Scrub. Scrubtion. Oh, what's that?
Oh my God.
What is corruption?
Define corruption.